Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best workout gifts is probably one of the most thoughtful ways to show appreciation for the women in your life who are dedicated to their fitness journey, whether they're seasoned athletes or just starting out on their wellness path. And finding the perfect present can be a delightful challenge, ensuring it aligns with their personal style, fitness goals, and existing gear, making it a truly impactful and cherished item that supports their active lifestyle and encourages their continued pursuit of health and strength. Number 5. MHIL Fabric Resistance Bands. Experience superior quality with these comfortable, non-slip resistance bands. Made from premium, odorless fabric, they are designed to stay in place without rolling or pinching, ensuring the best workout experience. Our set includes 4 bands of the same length but with varying resistance levels, from light to extra heavy. This ensures a challenging yet suitable workout for everyone, from beginners to professionals. These fabric bands help you lose weight and achieve your desired shape. They provide gentle yet effective muscle engagement for your arms, legs, hips, and glutes, contributing to overall health improvement. Take your workout anywhere with these compact and easy-to-carry resistance loops. Perfect for yoga, Pilates, squats, and more, they are ideal for home, gym, travel, or outdoor use. We've rigorously tested these hip bands for durability. At MHIL, we stand by our product with a lifetime warranty, so you can feel confident in your purchase and gifting them. Add tension and resistance to your exercises to engage more muscles like your glutes and hamstrings. You can even combine them with free weights for a more intense workout. By exercising with these bands, you can target your glutes, legs, and abs more effectively than with a normal workout. Burn more calories and build strength in a shorter amount of time. What we like? These are incredibly versatile and comfortable fabric resistance bands. They are designed not to slip or pinch, making them ideal for any workout. If you are looking for a way to add resistance to your lower body exercises like squats and glute bridges, these are a fantastic choice for building strength and toning. What people say. The MHIL set of resistance bands comes in 5 levels of resistance, and the increased effort required is really noticeable as you move up the levels. They do a good job not slipping much against skin or most fabrics. Overall, they seem exceptionally sturdy. These fabric resistance bands have a strong and durable material, yet comfortable on the skin. The non-slip inner lining keeps them in place throughout workouts. They come in 4 different resistance levels, giving flexibility to scale workouts. The fabric is thick and has a nice stretch without feeling too loose or too stiff. These bands are great for people with health issues that need some exercise without straining your joints too much. These seem to be good quality and thick material. Number 4. Body Restore Shower Steamers Aromatherapy 6-pack. Elevate your daily routine with our Aromatherapy shower steamers. Simply place one in your shower and let the soothing scents transform your space into a personal spa. Feeling stressed? These steamers are designed to help you unwind and find your calm. Let the gentle aromas melt away your worries and promote relaxation. Looking for a thoughtful gift? They make wonderful Easter basket stuffers, birthday presents, or a special treat for anyone needing a little self-care. Suitable for women, men, girls, and boys, these steamers offer a delightful aromatherapy experience for the whole family. Enjoy the bloom scent for a refreshing finish. Incorporate a simple yet effective self-care ritual into your day. Just a few moments in the shower can make a big difference to your well-being. Experience the uplifting bloom scent, crafted to refresh your senses and revive your spirit. It's the perfect way to start or end your day feeling revitalized. What we like? Transform your shower into a spa-like experience with these aromatherapy steamers. They release soothing scents to help you unwind and de-stress after a long day. If you're seeking a simple yet luxurious way to practice self-care or looking for a thoughtful gift that promotes relaxation, these are perfect. What people say. Using these scent rounds is incredibly easy. Just rip open the packet, set the scent round in the floor of your shower, and let your nose be filled with the pleasant aroma. My nasal passage felt so good and I could smell the scent for a little while after getting out of the shower, which is exactly what I wanted. The scent wasn't mind-altering or anything like that, but it was very relaxing and stress-relieving. When these arrived, I was in the middle of another very bad lung infection. My hubby gets the sniffles and I get a fever for 9 days, 2 rounds of antibiotics and torture. So, when these arrived we immediately dumped me in a shower with one. Vicks, move over because you don't have anything on these. You can still smell the vapors even once it fully dissolves. The smell is pure heaven. RHUA it opens your sinuses is too, and it can help, at least temporarily, stop your cough. Each steamer releases a soothing scent that fills the shower with a spa-like vibe. The essential oils are noticeable but not overwhelming, creating a truly relaxing experience. These don't dissolve instantly. When placed just off to the side of the water stream, they fizz slowly and linger long enough to enjoy almost the whole shower. Made with natural essential oils and free from parabens, SLS, and talc, which gives me peace of mind about what I'm breathing in. Each tablet comes wrapped, making them super portable. I take a few on trips or use them when staying somewhere else. Number 3. MUSICOZY Bluetooth 5.4 Sleep Headband. Introducing the MUSICOZY Bluetooth 5.4 Sleep Headband, your perfect companion for music and comfort. Enjoy your favorite tunes without the hassle of extra earbuds. Crafted from a breathable blend of nylon and spandex, this headband is designed for ultimate comfort. It's also washable, making it easy to keep fresh. Experience true HD high-fidelity sound wirelessly. It easily pairs with your smartphone or other Bluetooth-enabled devices for an uninterrupted listening experience. With an upgraded battery chip, you can enjoy your music or podcasts all night long. Wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the day. This stylish and functional headband is a unique gift for anyone. Ideal for travel, workouts, or simply relaxing, it's a thoughtful present for all occasions. Say goodbye to uncomfortable earbuds and ambient noise. This headband effectively blocks distractions, allowing you to focus on your audio or enjoy peaceful sleep. What we like? Combine your music in your workout or sleep with these innovative Bluetooth headband headphones. They offer superior sound quality and block out ambient noise, all while keeping your hair in place and absorbing sweat. If you dislike uncomfortable earbuds or want to enjoy audiobooks or music during sleep or exercise without distractions, this is the ultimate gadget. What people say. The headband is stretchy enough to fit anyone. They are compatible with my TV and phone, or were super easy to figure out. Bluetooth remembers your device and consistently connects automatically when you turn it on. Battery life is good. I often forget to charge them and they'll work for multiple nights in a row. The mask also blocks out a good amount of light. The music quality is fine. Not as good as earbuds, but it's acceptable. And I've never had issue with the Bluetooth connection. Number 2. Fabric Resistance Bands Set with Guide. Experience a comfortable workout with our resistance bands. They are designed to be used over clothes or directly on your skin without pinching, making them perfect for any exercise routine. Our set offers 4 distinct resistance levels, suitable for everyone from beginners to advanced athletes. They are ideal for toning your glutes, hips, and thighs. These bands are engineered with a non-slip design and a broad width. They stay securely in place, ensuring they are perfect for leg exercises, hip circles, and squats. Get started immediately with the included printed fitness guide. A convenient carry case is also provided, making it easy to take your workouts anywhere. Target your lower body effectively with these versatile bands. They are specifically designed to enhance your glute, hip, and thigh workouts. Crafted from a durable blend of fabric and latex, these bands offer both flexibility and resilience. Enjoy a comfortable and effective workout experience every time. What we like? These resistance bands offer a secure, non-slip grip thanks to their fabric and latex blend, ensuring they stay in place during intense workouts. They come with a helpful training guide and a convenient carry case. If you're a beginner needing guidance or an experienced athlete looking for reliable bands that won't slide, this set is an excellent value. What people say. The different resistance levels are well distributed, making them suitable for various exercises and fitness levels. They are comfortable to use, don't roll up during workouts, and seem built to last. The material and non-slip fit are both so complementary to any workout. The band stays in place and it's up to you to stretch them to your capacity. The graduated strength levels keep you building strength. Light, medium, strong, and heroic. The bands are made of high-quality materials that breathe, no sticky rubber, quality is exceptional. Number 1. Ekouaer Women's Waffle Knit Pajama Set. Discover unparalleled comfort with our new pajama set. Designed for relaxation, it's perfect for lounging at home. Experience the luxuriously soft waffle knit fabric that feels gentle against your skin. It offers breathability and a cozy feel all day long. The long sleeve top provides a relaxed fit, perfect for cooler evenings. Its classic design ensures you look as good as you feel. Comes with coordinating shorts for a complete, stylish look. They offer freedom of movement, making them ideal for sleep or leisure. We've added practical pockets to the top, so you can keep your essentials close by. It's the perfect blend of fashion and functionality. This matching set is your new go-to for ultimate relaxation. Elevate your loungewear collection with this versatile and comfortable outfit. What we like? Experience ultimate comfort and style with this cozy waffle knit pajama set. The matching long-sleeve top and shorts create a chic loungewear look, complete with convenient pockets. If you prioritize comfort for lounging at home or seeking a stylish yet relaxed outfit for sleep, this set is a must-have. What people say. The material is super soft and comfortable, perfect for lounging or sleeping. The fit is flattering without being too tight, and the V-neck and button-down style give it a nice, classic look. This pajama set is really comfortable and soft. The waffle knit fabric feels cozy without being too heavy, and it's comfortable enough to wear for lounging or sleeping. The fit is relaxed and easy, and it doesn't feel tight or restrictive. I also like that it keeps me warm without overheating, which makes it great for cooler nights. They are very cozy, but they are also completely see-through. If you don't mind having your boobs visible through the top, then it's fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.